Welcome back. In news overseas, U.S. President Donald Trump says Iran is losing and begging to make a deal as he suggests the U.S. will leave the country in 2 or 3 weeks. Speaking in the Oval Office, Trump says a deal with Iran is irrelevant and the U.S. will leave when it's certain the regime cannot build a nuclear weapon for years. Earlier, Trump lashed out at the UK and other countries, telling them to go get their own oil from the Strait of Hormuz. He said that they need to learn how to fight for themselves, as the US won't be there to help them anymore, just like they weren't there for the US. In 5 weeks of war, thousands of people have been killed, the vast majority in Iran and Lebanon.
And the Primetime News package continues with sports after this break.